Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is going to be pomegranate peptide firming serum. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about skincare, please don't forget to click the subscribe and notification bell so you don't miss any beauty videos. This is the serum. I have my phone and I'm going to read you guys claims about this pomegranate peptide firming serum. It claims it is a clinically effective serum that is packed with polypeptides and pomegranate to visually smooth, hydrate, and firm the look of skin while targeting the prevention of fine lines over time. It's suitable, yes, it's suitable for normal, dry combination and oily skin. The ingredients they have is polypeptide, which is supposed to help rebuild and repair skin while supporting collagen and elastin to help skin more lifted and increase firmness. It also has pomegranate seed oil, which is supposed to strength and elasticity to the skin to visibly soft, smooth, and tighten the skin. And lastly, it has hyaluronic acid, which is supposed to help restore the volume and the hydration to the skin, and is paraben free, cruelty free, and vegan. It retails for $45 and it's available at Sephora. This is the pomegranate peptide serum. So it comes with a pump, so you guys can see it comes with a pump. Now I'm going to show you guys the formula. So the formula of the serum looks like this. So as you can see, it is lightweight. So the formula is lightweight. So I am blending this in and I could feel that it is lightweight, but right away you saw it was runny. It's one of those runny serums, but it feels very lightweight. It is not thick. Now it's time to smell it. Now as I'm smelling it, I smell that the scent smells sweet. It has a sweet pomegranate scent to it, but it's lightly scented. My honest opinions about this Glow Recipe Pomegranate Firming Serum. The first thing I like about it is the scent. It has a sweet scent to it. It smells so good. And I like the fact that it brightens and firms the skin. My skin feels so firm and so smooth and soft. I just really like it. I love that it had pomegranate seed oil and hyaluronic acid. It is amazing. And lastly, I love the fact that it's cruelty free and vegan. But first impression, this Glow Recipe Pomegranate Peptide Firming Serum did an amazing job of tightening and firming my skin. But again, I have to continue using this serum, but for the first time using it, I love it. Love it. My skin feels so smooth and soft because it has all those pomegranate seed oil in it, and it has the hyaluronic acid, was supposed to help moisturize into the skin, and it did exactly what it claims. I just really love it. So guys, please try this out on yourself because you definitely will thank me later. Remember, it retails for $45 and it's available at Sephora. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this review of this firming serum. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe right here or right here, and I'll see you in my next video.